An obvious double chin treatment plan, especially for overweight people, would be to lose weight through diet and exercise. However, if you're struggling...
Hello there, beautiful viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of us can relate to: the pesky double chin. You know that feeling when you catch a glimpse of yourself in the mirror and you think, where did that come from?
Well, fear not. We've got some secrets up our sleeves that are going to leave you amazed. So let's talk about the double chin and how to bid it farewell. Before we unveil the ways to tackle that double chin, let's quickly understand why it appears. A double chin is an excess weight carried underneath the chin, typically between the chin and the neck. It makes your neck look bigger and can sometimes be attributed to looking older. A double chin often sneaks up on us due to factors like genetics, weight gain, aging, and even poor posture. But remember, you're not alone in this journey. Alright, here comes the exciting part. We've discovered 5 jaw-dropping techniques that can help you bid adieu to that double chin faster than you can imagine. Are you ready? 1. An obvious double chin treatment plan, especially for overweight people, would be to lose weight through diet and exercise. However, if you're struggling to lose excess weight or are already thin but have a predisposition to higher fat content and want to eliminate your double chin as soon as possible, there are several other treatment plans you can consider. 2. Fish face exercise. Smile while pursing your lips, then create a fish face by sucking the inside of your cheeks into the gap between the sides of your teeth. 3. Kissing the sky exercise. Tilt your head back and face the sky or ceiling. Now pucker your lips as you would for a kiss. Feel the tension in your neck. Hold the position for 5 seconds and then release. 4. Straight jaw. Tilt your head backwards and stare at the ceiling. Push your lower jaw forward till you feel the stretch. Hold it in that position for 15 seconds. Relax and repeat it for 5 times. 5. Side neck stretch. Sit upright. Stretch your neck as far as you can on either side. Hold the position for 15 seconds. Repeat 10 times. 6. Vitamin E capsules. The abundance of antioxidants in vitamin E oil not only protects the skin from external damage and keeps it moisturized, but also reduces the appearance of double chin, fine lines, and saggy cheek. Cut open the vitamin E capsules and take the oil on your palm. Massage it properly with upward strokes to get rid of the double chin. There you have it, our journey to discover the mind-boggling ways to bid farewell to the double chin. Remember, it's all about consistency and embracing these techniques into your daily routine. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel,